back to Dome Speed Shop. Today we're going to jump start some DeWalt 20-volt batteries and hopefully not set the garage on fire. Let's check it out! Now when you do something like this, you really want to do it outside the garage, because this is kind of a dangerous way to do this. I'm only doing this because I know the battery was left in a heated vest for a while, and the cells aren't corrupt. It's just been sitting dead forever. If you think there's a possibility your battery might be corrupt, or a corrupt cell, I should say, don't do this at all. Get a new battery. But if you're gonna do this, don't do it inside the garage. I would recommend doing it outside of the driveway or something, so if something catastrophic like the battery catches fire, you can just kick it away, get the fire extinguisher, put the battery out with minimal damage. Don't do this inside the shop. Let's see, go up to the battery here. Hook up to the charger. Charges on this battery. Hook up the dead battery. The charger doesn't even recognize it. So we're going to try jumping. Now the terminals you're going to be jumping are going to look like this. You got your B positive and your B negative. Those are the only two you're really worried about when jumping on this. The others are more for controls for the power tool, so disregard those. But for the point of the video, you're going to be jumping positive, positive, negative, negative on another of the same battery. So what you're going to want to do is make sure you put your batteries on the ground, somewhere stable. Put your good battery next to your bad battery. Jump in just like a car, positive, positive, negative, negative. Before you hook it all up, make sure you have something to grab the wires off of. So if this goes wrong, you have a quick way to pull it off, so you're not putting your bare hand on this wire, burning the hell out of your hand. Bad news bears every time you do it. So make sure if you're gonna do something dumb, you're doing it a safe way. And just like starting a car, dead battery first. Then you go ahead and disconnect your wire after a few seconds. Don't leave it on there crazy long. Disconnect your connection. There you go. You got a bar back on your battery without totally draining your other battery. And then once we're back in the garage, I usually like to double check, make sure I still got a bar. Then I'm going to throw it back in the battery charger. And we're officially charging again. Now there are a couple different circumstances I would do this under. Either A, say you got a clearance power tool system, like, for example, a drill or something, and the lithium-ion battery is dead, brand new in the package, then I would, if you feel brave, then I'd do this. I'd probably contact the store first and see what they'd want to do about warranty on the battery before I go this route. Because, like I said, this is dangerous. The battery protection in the battery circuit board could malfunction. This could catch fire, and you could also kill the battery you're trying to jump the dead battery with. So you could be out 2 batteries, which, you know, more dinero. More money out of your pocket for 2 batteries instead of 1. If you think the battery might be corrupted, like you're using an impact or something, this got so hot it stopped working altogether, do not do this. That means the heat protection in the battery circuit board kicked on, preventing this thing from actually catching fire or the tool catching fire. Do not try to jump this. Let it cool down and then try to throw on the charger. If that doesn't work, dispose of the battery, get a new battery. It's not worth having a small electrical fire. So yeah, guys, this has been a quick tutorial how to jumpstart your DeWalt 20-volt lithium-ion battery or other lithium-ion batteries. Do this at your own risk and be safe, guys. We'll see you next time.